One of the great things about triathlons is that they're held in so many beautiful places, which makes for a great excuse to travel. The only seemingly tricky part can be figuring out how to get your bike there. Fortunately, you can ship your bike there with Bikeflights, and if you use the Bikeflights Bike Box Extra Large, you can even keep your bike mostly assembled in transit, even if you have integrated handlebars. The BBXL, as we like to call it, was designed to be large enough so that you don't have to remove your handlebars and stem. Simply remove your pedals, both wheels, and seat posts. Use one of the included block and axle spacers to support your frame's fork. Install the second axle spacer in your frame's rear dropouts. Secure the other block beneath your bottom bracket so that your chain rings do not come in contact with the bottom of the box. We recommend that you remove your rear derailleur, but if you decide to keep it on, shift into the easiest gear and route your chain around your dropout spacer. If you have a very forward position, you may need to slide your bars back. It's very important to place your frame inside the divider and to place your protected wheels outside of the divider. This prevents damage by keeping your wheels and frame from coming in contact with each other. Then use the bungees to secure everything in place, including small parts like your seat post and pedals. You'll have plenty of space for spare wheels. The BBXL accommodates shipping up to 70 pounds. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.